Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking with leftovers. Not what it's supposed to look like. Chaos is fitting for what's up in here right now. Over here, I have my leftovers drawer in the kitchen. This is always the dreaded drawer. So, you know, what's in here? Is it exciting? Well, today it's all gonna be exciting. It's a good challenge. You want to be able to use what you got, be resourceful, and not let things go to waste. So, let's take this all out. My salad. There we go. Let's look at what I have. Raspberries, not a leftover. Green peppers from a month ago. Sweetened condensed milk, roasted garlic. I am definitely using that in whatever I'm making. Imitation crab rangoon. Brussels sprouts. Potato wedges. Okay, that's gonna go in my pile of stuff. And I have another fridge. Oh, hi Ernie, are you joining? Are you excited? I'm usually bad at keeping only things in the leftover drawer, but not today. Oh, Ernie, do you have any leftovers? Do you have any thoughts about this video? Do you want to pick out an ingredient or anything? No? I'm thinking I'm gonna go somewhere in like the Asian flavor palette. I have the crab rangoon filling, so it's like imitation crab, cream cheese, all those good things. I want a fried element. I wonder, do I have any like dough? Any like dough type of thing? I have an idea. Okay, come with me. Okay, I have rice paper. Now, this is one of my favorite things is making deep fried rice paper. All right, this is what I'm thinking. I am going to make some type of like imitation crab rangoon tostada vibe. I'm gonna deep fry my rice paper, have that as a bottom layer, then the imitation crab rangoon on there for that like creamy layer, and then some type of like hot component with these leftover potatoes and Brussels, and then a little salad on top, and then some type of like rice wine vinegary, soy saucy, maybe chili oily drizzle. That's what I'm thinking. This little technique of frying rice paper is something I actually learned for a TikTok. It was like something I tested out for a TikTok, and I was like, wait, this actually works. It's really good. So it's casually have oil on the floor. You don't need that much oil to do this. Half an inch should be good, maybe about around a centimeter. Perfect heat. So I have some leftover Brussels for here. That was from dinner one night. And I have leftover potatoes from another YouTube video. So slice. Do I know exactly what I'm doing? No. But it'll taste good, that I know. There's a lot going on in the brain. I'm gonna grab rice paper. And this happened literally right before our eyes. Me and you, right now. Ready for this? Ready? Rice paper, into the oil. Well, that was anticlimactic. Okay, but oil's not hot enough. That was just disappointing. Okay, well, not what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I'm gonna heat up the oil a bit more. Dun 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 dun! Again, anticlimactic, but it at least kind of worked. Okay, let's fry that up. And as you can see, it instantly turns super, super airy and crispy, just like that. And ooh, look at that. Oh, there we go, okay. That is what I want to happen. See how quickly that was? Instantly, it just puffed up into this perfect thin little cracker. Okay, this we get, your oil has to be hot, see? Magic, right before your eyes. A little chopped onion. Okay. Oh, wow, okay. Just got some of that juice in my eye. Do not clap when having onion juice on your hands. Start with my onion in there. Get that going. Cook our onion a little bit. It's occurred to me that I had initially planned on making a quick little stir fry, and when I added in the onions, they now have to cook. So, do you have any free time? I do.
2 hours later.
Oh, hello.
Hey, hello, how are you?
My eye is currently recovering.
You look like you've really been emotional about this meal,
Yeah,
which I understand.
I'm passionate about leftovers.
Okay, so we'll have the crab rangoon vibe, so like crispy rice paper.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Okay, and then talk to me about potatoes in a stir fry.
I'm just flying. What's the term? Flying
fast and loose.
I was gonna say fly. Oh, never mind.
Yes, I love the heat. I think maybe a little bit of vinegar or something.
Yeah.
Acid, perhaps. I also want to say that I do love this because this is a no-waste meal.
Yes.
Which is awesome and super important because of the amount that we actually test. We end up with a lot of food.
Little rice wine.
I love that.
All right, let's do a little bit of that in here. I'm just gonna go for the tomb.
Yeah, hit it up.
Ba-bam! Woo! Oh my God.
Yeah, it's pungent.
The vinegar is in the nose. Smell that?
Wafting.
Well, yeah, it went right up the nostril. Well, both of them.
I mean, yeah. Oh, I like to dance.
I love my own work.
Oh, I mean, same.
I think it's good.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, the vinegar and tomb go a long way.
That was lovely. Okay. Really like where you headed. Very excited to see where this dish ends up. You holler at me for the taste test because I'm trying to try it.
Okay. My stir fry has been stirred well and fried. Hence the name. Let's put some of our crab rangoon. So this is kind of have like a chicken salad or tuna salad vibe. Then roasted garlic. Ooh, give that a little sniff. Yeah, there you go. I'm being aggressive on that if I do any more. Oh, I guess I don't have to chop it yet. It's just into a paste. Great. Into the crab rangoon. See how it is? I'm gonna do like salt and pepper, maybe some soy. Pepper, a little soy sauce. There's already some in it, but I have a salty palate. We go. Oh, and honestly, the soy adds a little more moisture, which it does kind of need. It's salad dressing. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want recipes that are not chaotic like this, I highly recommend pre-ordering my debut cookbook, Eitan Eats the World. It's available for pre-order everywhere books are sold. Where do you buy books? They sell it there. You can pre-order. It's the best way to support authors like myself, and it is full of 85 of my favorite common food recipes, and I think you might like them. I'm pretty sure you might like them. You'll find out by pre-ordering. Let's do a little more roasted garlic. I'm feeling like that's the theme today. And by theme, I mean only twice. I think a theme needs to be at least 3 times. All right. Roasted garlic in there. Oh, what a great timing. Olivia is the dressing monarch of the universe.
I wasn't expecting monarch.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so I'm thinking of like a little, like, just like flavorful dressings scenario.
More about hand,
Yes.
less about ingredients. well, let's walk through components. What's in right now?
That's some like roasted garlic.
Okay, so we have savory.
Yes.
We're going to do sweet.
A little sweet.
We're going to get acid and fat.
Acid from that. All right, I'm gonna a little
Oh, great. Okay.
little sweetness. Have you used this since Rachel got it?
I have not.
It is delicious.
Have I tasted it straight from this bottle? Yeah, I have.
Yes.
Into
Okay.
a spoon. Sorry, I didn't. This is the sanitary kitchen.
Yeah. Sanitary over. I'm making enough for a mouse.
This is.
Oh, what about chili oil? Oh, I want Sichuan. Yeah. You know what, like, the tongue?
I don't associate that noise with.
Got it.
Like, that sounded a little more like nausea.
Perfect. And let's try it. I'm gonna try it before you try it, because if it's bad, then you can't try it. See?
You're gonna give me a
Yeah.
tasting
Nope,
spoon?
you're not allowed.
Okay.
It's getting there.
Okay, that feels like. Am I allowed to try it yet? Or
No.
What does it need?
Maybe a splash of soy.
Yes.
Just whisk it up and try it again. I can use your
Great
spoon.
color.
Yeah, the color looks great. I'm very happy about that. Okay, now we're talking.
Okay.
We're in
Am I
business.
allowed to?
Yeah.
Because you
Yes.
have love.
For-
It's delicious.
Right, it's good.
It's delicious.
All right, thank you very
All right,
much.
I'm leaving you.
Thank you. We can add it to the
I'm
pile.
only here for the dressings and the sauce.
Well, I think we are, it's like basic assembly time. So, am I gonna clean up? No, because I think the chaos is fitting for what's up in here right now. So, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Initially, I imagined spreading this on here. Not possible.
You could pipe it.
Love that idea. There we go. Aha, now, I'm just gonna pipe. Whoa, but piece of coral. Okay, we have our snails on the coral. What's our stir fry? Maybe it's like the pebbles in the ocean. There's pebbles in the ocean. Oh God, I'm thrilled about this. Okay. Does it count as a leftover if this is brand new? Thank you for coming to my ASMR class. Dressing. Little seaweed. What are these? Sand. Sprinkle. Thank you for coming to my underwater, overwater experience. Rachel Livio, would you like to come in and try my presentation?
I'm doing T-Rex arms because I'm nervous.
I would like to try it, and I need you to name it. Like, it's like, what is this on the menu?
Good question.
5 words or less.
Ooh, oh wow. Coral of the sea.
Versus coral of the
land?
Yes.
Land coral?
Land coral.
Yes. Coral of the sea above land with a
6
little.
words.
No, there's like a.
Of the sea is hyphenated one
Oh,
word.
Yes.
so that's one word.
So what you do is you grab yourself a little section.
Yeah, tell us how to eat coral of the land of the sea.
Yes.
Coral
And
of the sea
then
of the land.
Oh.
you,
Oh, you're doing sort of
So
like
it's
a
like a
roti.
roti vibe.
yes.
Okay.
Cheers. Mmm.
You're not mad?
No.
All right.
This area could be good as well. All right. Cheers to coral of the sea of the land.
Yes.
Ah,
Not bad. It needs vinegar, but that's it.
I'm not mad at that.
I got a lot of seaweed on my coral of the land of the sea,
Uh-huh.
and so my vinegar's good.
Oh yeah. Fine.
Substantial amount. I completely agree with you.
Thank you for watching.
Yes.
If you did, this recipe will not be on eitanbernath.com. It just won't.
But if you did enjoy watching Eitan make this, please consider.
Subscribing. Hit the like button. Comment down below.
And the bell.
The bell.
Yeah.
YouTube won't let you know unless you do. YouTube's like, you subscribe? Should we show it to you? No.
Correct.
When you subscribe, you didn't want to see the video.
No.
That's
you
not
didn't
what
wanna do
subscriptions
that.
are for.
And also, comment down below, what would you make?
Yeah.
If you had these ingredients.
And
I want to know.
I challenge
Yes.
you to go home. Well, you're probably home when you're watching this.
Challenge you.
Challenge
Go home.
In bed, tell us what the deets are.
Yeah.
And on that note, we're just gonna
Goodbye.
we're gonna crab rangoon
Yes.
walk out of here.